Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Twitch plugin in Adobe After Effects. Alright, let's begin. First of all, download the Twitch plugin on your PC. Make sure to move it to the desktop and copy the plugin. After that, open File Explorer and then go to the install location of Adobe After Effects. Usually, it is in the Windows disk, but if you change the location, then you just need to get to it. For me, it's Program Files, Adobe After Effects, then Support Files. Inside Support Files, go to Plugins, and then just paste the plugin in this folder. Just make sure that the After Effects app is completely closed or the plugin won't get installed. After that, launch Adobe After Effects. And you can see that the Twitch plugin is now being displayed in the plugin section. So that's basically how you can install Twitch plugin in Adobe After Effects. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.